And what started as a group of friends playing video games together has grown into a full team of writers, editors, animators, exfoliators,
prostitutes,
talk bites, and friends who,
well, play video games together.
I do my best to find some kind of glow. I'm giving it some heart and soul now. From the darkest grays, the sunburst, clouds break. Yeah, we see that fire from the streets of Babylon to the road that we've been on now. The kaleidoscope claims another. You've seen my worst, and yet you see some hope in me. The black and white set us free, like the queen to the rook. Your decision was a sure thing, honey, yeah, a sure thing. No wonder I feel like I'm missing the heavy load. But no matter what daylight brings to us, we all know. This is life in color. Today feels like no other. From the darkest grays, the sunburst clouds break. Whoa.